boss. Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
How was your night?
Fine.
Please, I need a little favor from you. I'm late for work already, and I want Merua to put water for me inside. So if you can help me to just monitor him, put me through.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah, my guy over there.
Okay, alright.
This is it. Just help me put him through. Merua, I have two containers. The yellow one at the passage and the one inside the bedroom. So you fill them up. I repeat again. At the passage and the white one in the bedroom. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Which kind water this aboki dey fetch wey no dey finish? Say na pass 50 naira.
Hey, Oga.
Merua, now 1 o'clock since morning you are still fetching water.
Wallahi, Oga, wannan ruwa I no dey fetch am for the water again.
You don't fetch finish?
Yeah, man.
Top. How much come be your money? They say I give you. How much your money says?
Oga, wallahi wannan ruwa pa. I never fetch me for like this before. This one I don't fetch, Oga. I don't tire. Oga, I need that for my money.
How much is your money?
Calculate money.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Oga, my money na 5,200.
What? 5,000 what?
200 naira, Oga.
For what?
For the water.
Wetin happen?
Oga, wallahi.
Community water you fetch. Come on, go sit down.
Oga, come make I show you. I fetch am for water. No be inside the gallon. I say make I put am for water.
No be 2 containers say make you fetch.
Oga,
2 containers.
Oga, I put am for the container. I put am for one no dey full. I don put am. Oga, come dey see am.
Hey, God of mercy. Tom, make we go see the container.
Oga, enter.
How you go fetch water? 5,200 naira. Guy, na all for you. Wetin dey worry you?
Oga.
Don't tell me that thing, no.
Oga, let me go and see me.
For what? Which kind water you fetch?
Oga,
Which kind water be that?
So, Oga, let me show you.
Oya, show me the water.
Oga,
Show me the water.
Come see it. Come see. One now.
Jesus is
Toilet. Oh my God! You feel like toilet?
Inside. I dey put am. I dey go where?
Funke!
I dey go where? Inside.
Funke!